This video will go over how to request review summaries for your products. Please first make sure that you have review monitoring enabled for your products to get started underneath the Products tab. Click on the Product Manager section, and once you're under the default layout, you'll be able to locate the Product Manager, which has a list of all your products. The review summary section can be located right here, and today we're going to request a summary for this Bluetooth portable speaker. As you can see, there are 73 reviews, and if you click this plus icon, a pop-up will appear for the review summary. For the summary format, you have two options, the paragraph format or the list format. The paragraph format will write out the summary and sentences. The list format will be in bullet points. For now, we're going to request the paragraph format. You have the option for the next sentences. As of right now, we'll leave it at 5. If you wanted to see all ratings, positive or negative reviews, we're going to leave it at all ratings. And when it comes to how many reviews, we're going to leave it at 50. And this is the review start and end date. The other option is to choose any or verified or unverified purchased only as well. Then you can go ahead and click request summary. Once the summary has been requested, you'll be able to see the review summary below with the keywords and in a sentence format for the review summary. If we look here, we can see that it says overall, the DOS Touch Wireless Bluetooth V4.0 portable speaker with HD sound and bass received mixed reviews from customers. Some customers find it to be a great value with better sound than expected, while others found the sound quality to be minimal and tinny. You can see that the review summary is listed out in a paragraph format. If we were to do a list format and leave it at all ratings, you'll be able to see the bullet points provided for the product. So you can see here it says great value, sound quality is better than expected, expected power, button placement is inconvenient, etc. And you're able to change around how many bullet points are provided within the summary. As for now, we've selected 5 bullet points. You'll be able to see how many reviews your summary was pulled from, and the date range, and how long ago this was summarized. You can also view your product reviews right here for this ASIN. The review summary will summarize exactly what's happening with your product without having to sift through each review and process them individually. And you can see that you can request a review summary right here next to the product. This is how easy it is to request a review summary.